In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an address on the Temu app, whether you're setting up a new delivery location or updating your current address. Follow these steps for a seamless process. First things first, make sure you have the Temu app installed on your device and you're logged in. Once you're in, let's locate the option where you can manage your addresses. You'll want to start by navigating to the main screen of the Temu app. It's here you'll find the option labeled Addresses. Tap on that, and it should guide you to a more detailed menu where you can manage your saved addresses. Next, look for the button that says Add New Address. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the section where you can input your new address information. This step is crucial, as this is where the magic of having packages delivered right to your doorstep starts. Moving on, you have two options. You can either choose an address from a selection or enter one manually. If you prefer to manually enter an address, go ahead and click on Enter Address Manually. This option gives you full control over the specific details of the location you want to add. Once you select the manual entry option, you'll see a form to fill out. Start entering your details such as the recipient's name and move on to your full delivery address. Remember, accuracy is key here, so take your time to double check for any typos or errors. You'll then want to select the city, find the drop-down that allows you to pick your city, choose the right city from the list presented. If necessary, do the same for your district. Make sure it correlates correctly with your city to avoid any delivery mishaps. Now it's time to type in your street name. Make sure you input it carefully. Following that, you'll see a section for any additional details. This might include apartment numbers or specific instructions that will help the delivery personnel find your exact location with ease. Finally, after all the information has been accurately entered and reviewed, scroll to the bottom and click on Save. This final action ensures all your details are securely saved in the app, ready to be used the next time you make a purchase. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can add an address to your Temu app with confidence. This will help streamline your shopping experience by ensuring your purchases arrive precisely where and when you want them. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!